Friends, welcome to Hashtag Imi. So, in continuation of the creational design patterns videos, today I'm going to do a new video on factory design patterns. So, let's go for it. Factory design pattern. So, by seeing the word factory design pattern, what comes to your mind first? So, factory design pattern. So, as per the definition goes, you see. So, factory design pattern. So, it basically provides an interface in the superclass for creating objects, but it allows the subclasses to alter its types. So, that is a definition of the factory design pattern. So, basically, it provides interface in superclass. Creation of objects but now the crux comes that but it allows subclasses with the child classes to alter the implementing types alter the implementing or you can just plainly say alter its types alter its types. So as per the definition goes, what do you understand by it? That it basically there is a interface and it allows some method for creating multiple objects, and but the subclass in the superclass, and but it allows the subclasses to alter its types. So as per the word goes factory, you might come to know that factory is basically meant to create multiple things, be it a commodity, be it like any unit of cars or any kind of items, you can say. So over here you literally mean you create multiple objects. So but with the providing just an interface in the superclass, and it allows the subclasses to alter types. So by meaning that just by providing some method in the superclass, the subclasses will create the objects, and runtime it can vary in the alteration, means the subclasses can vary in the types that it will implement. So we'll see like how in the skeleton that how it can be implemented. So I'll just show you that it will provide an interface. It basically contains some methods. As per the definition, it contains abstract method that can be implemented. So interface it contains a method. After that, there will be concrete classes that will implement the above interface. The above interface that the concrete class it will implement interface. first point is there is an interface. Second point is there are concrete classes that will implement the interface. Third point is that we create a factory class. That's the important point. So over here comes the crux of the logic. It provides a logic. This is in the superclass. And this can be the base classes, or you implement the base classes. And this factory method actually it provides a factory class. It provides way to alter its type. Means then there can be, you can pass some like a string to it, and or like any kind of condition according to which you can create alter its type and create multiple objects of that class or basing on that instance. That is important point. And the last point is that you create a client implementation or a main class, client implementation or main class to implement the logic over here. So these are the four main points: interface, concrete classes that will implement the interface, a factory class, it provides a way to alter its type, that is important, and finally where you want to demo actually the main class to implement the like factory, you will implement the factory pattern, you create the main class over there. So this video was all about like providing the skeleton and the definition of factory design pattern in the creational design pattern videos. So stay tuned to #me, more to come on creational design pattern and design pattern videos. Bye for now.